Hello. I am back. Yeah, so I'm doing another late night stream tonight. I say late night, it's like 10:30. Yeah, so I streamed from 10 a.m. today, earlier, just for the launch of this GameMaker Toolkit Game Jam. And so now I'm back at 10 p.m., 12 hours later, or over 12 hours later. And I am, I'm making good progress. I don't plan on staying up super late tonight working on the game. I want to get to a certain point. I want to get the game to a place where it's visually distinct enough as a game that I could start like posting a screenshot or two online. But this is the progress that I have on the game so far. There's a character mover that is just from an asset store, so it's nothing that I made. But there's this interaction system where you can walk up to this capsule's like an NPC or something, and you can interact with them. When you do, it enters an interaction session, interaction sequence, or scenario is what I called it. And it brings up a dialogue. So this is like the dialogue interaction, and you can click reply. So, hey, are you new here? You can reply and you roll a dice, which gives you your response, which I think is pretty cool. There's going to be a bunch of different interactions in the game, a bunch of different types of dice, all that. But yeah, you can roll multiple dice at the same time, and it'll tell you the results of all of them. It's pretty cool. I like it. So that's where I am right now. That's pretty much all I have. But the goal tonight, I want to get a character. Just get my own character in the game. And I want to just make a very basic scene. It doesn't have to be the final version, but I want to get some assets down in the scene. I want to get something that's not the default Unity skybox. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm going for. And the game itself, if you didn't watch the last stream, is I am making a comedy game where every interaction in the game is based on rolling dice. And you're just trying to perform the simple task of making yourself a sandwich. But just doing that is so challenging because you can't just do what you want to do. You got to roll dice for every single thing. So I'm starting with some dialogues, right? Talking to NPCs, but there's going to be a lot of tasks and a lot of gags related to the dice rolls and the results of those dice rolls. So that's the goal. To get started, I pulled up this. We'll switch. I have this. Actually, let me check something real quick. On my scene switcher here. One second. Get something set up here. Reason it's not switching. So if I do that and then that, okay, cool. Yeah, so I pulled this up. This is a chibi model. I don't remember who made it off the top of my head. I did modify it, and I rigged it using Mixamo. But I used this in a previous game jam, the last GameMaker Toolkit Game Jam, and it works pretty well. It's a very simple body, the typical, like, just the way that all the joints and everything work. So a very standard model, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially diceify it. I'm going to turn it into a dice man. So what I mean by that is delete the head, and yeah, I'm going to make a new object. I make the character as like some kind of dice-headed guy. And all the NPCs in the game also are going to be dice-based, just to like sell it a little bit better. So I realized the pose is a little bit different there. Actually, let me see, 'cause there's also another thing I can import here. But this one's not rigged, that's why. Okay. I want to, there. That's what I needed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new cube. Yeah. Doesn't have to be exact. Make a little cube guy, and I will add a modifier. I'm going to add a bevel modifier. Make it a nice little rounded cube. Scale it up as well. Somewhere around there. Just a guy with like a dice head. Be cool to give clothes and whatever, but I don't really want to spend that long necessarily making like a really detailed character. I'm not the best 3D modeler, so you know, taking it simple. I also want to use this as like my dice model as well, a rounded cube. Let's see the bevel. What kind of values can I tweak? I haven't really played that much with bevel modifier, so let's see. Anything I can do to make it smoother? I could add a subdivision. That's just very cubified. Subdivide then bevel. No. That has a nice smooth edge to it. Let's turn off the subdivision for a second. And that just looks nice without the subdivision. Subdivision kind of makes it more gradual. Shade smooth also makes it very smooth looking. I think I like it without subdivision, so I'll delete that. It's a cube head. Cool. And I guess I will... Maybe I should just apply it. Does that make it worse? Doesn't seem like it. Cool. But with that, we have this cube guy. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these faces. Nope, not the vertices. Just the faces. And Go ahead and move this down as well. I guess I have to apply it before I join, right? Apply the bevel. And then now I can join them. Actually, you know what? I probably should have, before I apply that bevel, or I could just delete these loops. That shouldn't affect anything, really. Kind of mess with the geometry, but I don't care that much, to be honest. Oh, it did mess that up. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Maybe it's not worth it. Cool. So I have my cube guy now. Last thing I want to do, or I guess not the last thing, but the next thing, I need to weight paint so that the head is set properly. Because there's currently nothing set for the head. So I'm going to go to edit mode. Go like this. Go back to weight paint just to make sure. Oh, yeah, just to make sure. And go to head. Wait, now I'm confused. Why can't I paint anything? Oh, there we go. I want to assign a weight of 1. Just like that. So, in doing so, double check the neck is still like that. I'm actually going to paint 0 on there. Okay. So save that, go back to object mode. And here we have our character. I want to go ahead and export an FBX for this. Should be FBX. If I refresh now, I should see these characters. Yep, here it is. I'll just drop it in the scene just to see what it looks like. Very big. I guess what I'll do actually is I'll open up the player prefab here. And I'll go ahead and I'll just drag this in. I assume I'm gonna have to change. I do a lot of modifications here, but just to start, put this in here under model. An audio source. Interesting. Not an animation. Add an animator to this. The avatar would be somewhere here. Oh, it's not set as a humanoid. I can fix that. Now I have an avatar, allows me to hook that up here. And I can make my own animator controller in a bit. But I will disable the cap guy for a second. And let's just see how this looks. Super quick. Looks very awkward. But something else that I want to do, or will benefit me, so I'm going to open up Mixamo, because animations are great. So I will upload my character. If I can find it. It's under models. Got the FBX. Just give me 1 second here. I'll pull this up on the screen too. Here we go. Bunch of different walking animations. Yes, exactly. Perfect walk. Standard walk. Yeah, I don't want anything like super fancy, just a normal standard walk. Increase the arm space a bit. This is pretty good. I'll download this and maybe look at a run as well. Let's see, we got FBX for Unity without skin. Put it at 30. Let's try a run as well. Ninja run. It's pretty good. Just a normal run, very basic. Might as well. I'll grab it. I'm not sure I'll actually use it, but we'll see. What else is there? Made a jump. It's very hard to get good jumps on Mixamo. Like the one that everyone always uses. This is the one that like basically everybody always uses. Whatever. I'll just grab it. Great. Gonna jump there. Also grab like a talking animation. Oh, actually, I'll have to come back to these. I'm not exactly sure which ones I'm going to need, but I'll start with just that for now then. Make an animations folder. And I'll drag in all the new animations. Cool. I have to fix up all these settings because they're weird. Oh, I need an idle actually. Didn't think of that. Okay, that's the one last thing I'll get from Mixamo. That's too happy. Yeah, breathing idle seems like the best, just most standard. I'm still feeling the breathing idle. Not the best, but whatever. It's good enough. Cool. So let's create an animator as well while we're here. I'll pull up this guy's animator as a reference here. I think I could even just copy paste most of this. Any state transitions to land? It's kind of weird. What is this? What's this? Oh. Yeah, I mean, I'll just create my own animator at this point. I don't think there's anything like super necessary there. I'm curious what causes the transitions. Oh, just horizontal speed. I see. Another thing I guess I want to do is I want to be able to edit these, which I can't here. So I'm actually going to dupe them here. I guess I don't need to do all of them. I just want to do the walking and potentially running. I'll delete that and I'll bring in the standard walk. I will add new parameters for speed. And this one, I believe they probably set it back when horizontal speed is less than that. Yeah. Okay. So that should be just a simple state machine. Very quick and easy. Now I just have to set movement speed and is grounded. And it should work. It should still play that the thing by default, right? Yeah, the idle. I forgot to zero out the movement, actually. That's another thing I missed. So here in the player, when there should be a function here. Yeah, set movement enabled, false. There's got to be something in here for velocity or rigid body or something. Oh, it's a mover.set velocity. I see. Mover is probably protected, yeah. But I could probably set mover myself. I just want to kill all momentum here. When you're interacting with something. And now I just need to set that up. Oh, I need to refresh as well. Give it a try. One of these should control. There's an animation control script. One of these has to do something with the control, with the passing animation data somewhere, right? Oh, there's even audio stuff. Kind of cool. I don't see like what's hooked up to the animator though. I don't see it hooked up anywhere. This model specifically. Sure, there's an animator. Is it just sending it to all children maybe? If I just add horizontal speed and vertical speed, will it get set? Well, is grounded wasn't being set. Oh, get component in children? Yeah? Is it just finding the first one and that's the problem? I should remove it. I feel like that's a bad idea. What is now returning the correct one? Oh, maybe my animations have exit times. That might be the problem. Does it loop? Should loop. Oh, they don't even loop. So that's the other problem. Okay, so that loops. Jump should not. Running. These three should. I guess I have to do them one at a time. Running should. Standing, whatever this is, should. Talking should. Actually, maybe talking shouldn't. I'll make it loop. Cool. Oh, somehow I missed that one. I'm gonna have to modify jump to also be more instantaneous. So I'll come back to that in a sec. But these, oh, what? They have, I swear I set them to not. Okay. And I guess I'll rename this to horizontal speed, or even just vertical speed. I am not sure what is going on with that. But I'll add another float and I'll call it horizontal. Oh, it's, yeah, what is speed? Not velocity. Yeah. Oh, so vertical is like actually up. It's so strange. Okay. I misunderstood what vertical was. It's supposed to be horizontal speed. Okay. Oh, hey, sorry, I didn't see any chats. I was very distracted. What am I making? It's a comedy puzzle kind of game. It's for the Game Maker's Toolkit Game Jam. The theme is roll of the dice, and the idea is that you are walking around this sort of environment, and you're trying to make a sandwich. The simple task of making a sandwich, but it becomes very challenging because every action that you take is determined by a dice roll. So I'm trying to make this sort of comedy game surrounding the idea of like the, you know, these gag dice rolls being used for everything. So yeah, we'll see how far I get. Hopefully it works out. I have an interaction system done, a dice rolling system, so you can, you know, mess with your dice, you can make a bunch of custom dice for these different gags, and you can interact with objects. So here I'm talking to an NPC, gives me a dialogue, and that's determined by a dice roll, which then has a result, which doesn't really do anything right now, but that's the idea. So this is just one example of an interaction that will use a dice roll. But yeah. Right now I'm working on getting a character. So you can see there's this dice man. He's got a dice for a head. And I'm just trying to like work on the branding a little bit, because obviously it's a default Unity skybox, ugly capsules and stuff. So I'm just trying to get something in place here. Gonna work a bit more on this jump animation because it looks super ugly. Let's see. Yeah, I'm making slow but steady progress. For the first day, I think it's decently alright. Maybe not as much as it should be. I'm getting a little tired, and I'll probably go to sleep somewhat soon, but I want to get sort of this like branding visual type stuff done before I go to sleep. Right, so I want to swap this out with a new jump. And if I go back here and look at the chibi model, uh-oh, why is it? It's breaking. Something is happening. Unity is not happy right now. But I will pull up the window for animations. Go here, I'll add a bunch of keyframes. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything before it. Let's see. And then maybe here as well, I'll cut it. Actually, I'll save this, and then I'll go and duplicate this again. Call it land. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, actually, I should save this now. Yeah, I should have duplicated it now. Even easier. Okay, so we go back here. I should be able to delete everything after this. And I can add the land here. I guess what they did here is they made a new layer. Additional animations. Any state transitions to land on land. Okay, let's see it in action now. Hopefully it works. Hard to tell if landing it is playing. I guess it is. It's just a very short animation. Wonder if there's a better landing that I could use. I don't care that much. Jumping and landing is not like the most critical part of this game. The most critical part is the dice roll. Nice, yeah. It's making progress. Little by little. I will... Actually, no, that's fine. I'll leave the animation. I think that's fine. Some of the things I want... I wanted to unroll, just like add some texture to the head. Actually, one other thing I want to do real quick is hopefully I can do this properly. I want to make a quick new dice because, you know, essentially this is a cube, whatever. It's super fast. I want to add a bevel to it just to make the dice on the other screen look slightly better. Yeah, and it doesn't really have to be textured either. Segments, we'll set that to 2, maybe. Oh, and then I want to shade smooth. Yeah, so that looks much better. And I guess I'll save it, why not? As a blend file. So we'll call this dice.blend. And I'll export it as an FBX as well, dice FBX. And let's see it. And Unity is like, something is going on. It's slowing down quite a bit. Not sure why. That maybe because my debugger's attached? Oh, maybe that was it. I think that was it actually. Debugger being attached slowed it down. Okay, so now let's swap the mesh. Is it too big or... Oh, it's way too small. I'll just make it like this. That is strange. Size that fits is like 48. That's odd. Oh, it's slightly offset, that's why. I'll make a new material for it just because. Somehow it looks nice. I guess it's the shaded, the smooth shading probably. Jump to the dice. I want to try just increasing some like metallic, some smoothness, some metallic. Just makes it look nice. Cool. Back to this guy. So I wanted to look up that Pokemon Ice Cube. It's like a penguin with an ice cube for a head. The eyes are carved into it, which I think is clever. Just debating like carving holes in this character for the eyes. But I forget. Let's see, Blender. I forget how to do this. And that is the correct way to do it. Let's see, Blender, delete overlap between two objects. Or intersect objects is really what I'm looking for. Oh, Boolean modifiers? Oh, so you just add a modifier and there's a Boolean option. Okay. Basically what I was looking for. So if I go here, there's... Well, first if I Shift A, create a sphere. Do it as a UV sphere. Number of segments, doesn't have to be that many. I like that's fine. And then I'll rotate it. Like that. Scale it down. Something like that maybe. I'll add a modifier to mirror it. Maybe something like that. A little smaller. Something like that, maybe. I'll add a boolean, and then I want it to be difference. Wait. Oh god, it's creepy. Way deeper than I thought. Do a subdivision modifier here. Make it much smoother. I didn't think it was necessary, but it is. So don't want it to go as deep. So let's see. We just scale scale along Y just to flatten it. Let's see how this looks. I'm not convinced it'll be great, but I'd like to see it. Actually, maybe before I do that, can I just hide this? Oh, I can. I can keep the Boolean modifier. So I don't even have to commit to it. The shading is really bad. Wait, what? That's crazy. How's that even pop? Oh, that's why. I guess I do have to apply it if I want to see. Probably would have been easier to just texture it on. Oh, you're saying your basic concept is now making it look better and fixing bugs? Oh, it's made. Sorry, your basic concept is made, so now you're making it look better and fixing bugs. Cool. I mean, that's insane progress for the first day. Like, honestly. That's like... I mean, if you're just making it look better and fixing bugs for like a whole day, then you've got like so much time. Yeah, congrats. I mean, even if you just like wanted to end it early, you know, and take the rest of the weekend or spend the whole weekend polishing, like, sounds like you're set. Oh, jeez. Even I feel like it doesn't even look that great with the holes cut in it. I'm gonna undo that. I don't really like the way it looks. I think what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna pull in just some eye textures basically. I feel bad using the same eye twice. I used this in a past jam too. But it works. I'll probably change it up maybe tomorrow. So I'm exporting the UV layout now. While I'm getting this set up, let me see. So, where is it? Not there. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I could just make... Do I want to make the guy have dice? I don't even know. Let's see what this looks like first. So that's the front. That's the back. So what if I pulled in, all of these. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, anyway, this is 2, 5. 2, 5. Whatever, this can be 6. Okay, I'm making it, something like that. Let's see how this looks. It's not so bad. Keep it for now. Blue dice guy, shiny dice guy. The character's nice. Thank you. It's something. It's very simple. Debating if the rest of the characters in the game should also be dice heads. Seems like there's a lot of foot sliding too. But whatever. Yeah, other characters that you can talk to. I don't know how much time. I don't really like the way the bevel on this looks. So I might redo those circles. Inner shadow is more what I was looking for, I think. Might be a little too dark. Not sure. Also, it sucks it's not really that high res. Okay, let's see. Better? Not really, but whatever. Good enough for a character. Got a dice for a head. All it needs. Let's tweak that interaction to the NPC. Back out of this. Where did I put the highlight? It's on here somewhere, right? Oh, I collapsed it. There it is. So, yeah. Got an outline. Take a look at it up close. I should be able to tweak it in real time, I hope. I guess I can't really tweak it. Oh, I can. Sort of. I want this color to not be yellow. Set it to a blue. The main object should match the file. Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. Okay, that is what I wanted. Back to this, let's see. So we've got an outer glow. I mean, that could be interesting, I guess. There's so many different glow passes with weird colors. I don't really need an outer glow. See-through when highlighted. I'll just say no. Hit FX. I don't need that either. Really just the outline and the overlay are nice. Okay, let's make a very simple little map of an environment real quick. And I think that might be the last thing I do today. Oh, I'm just so tired at this point. Import some more of these. I know nature is just generally really good. Importing some asset packs. I guess I want to look at this pirate one a little bit more. I've always wanted to use this pirate asset pack, but it has very limited use case. There's ocean. Could maybe use that. Okay, I'll import the nature models. I can't even see it. I might not have it here. I might have gotten it a different way. Import the farm. I don't remember where. I can check if did I get the other one from the Unity Asset Store directly? I wonder. My Polygon Nature pack that I got. Oh, I definitely have to import my particle packs, because I should probably be using those too. Ah, yes. Okay, so it is here. So it's dungeons. Yeah, I'll put both of these in once the farm import is done. Gotta wait on that though. Okay, it's just importing some assets. Okay, import is finished. Now there's a few more I want to grab. I want to open up the package manager, which still doesn't show on stream, but whatever. And there should be some in here. I'm not seeing them though. Oh, this is only 25. There's even an update for it. That's cool. Importing now. It says preparing package. Yep, this is the time of the night where I'm just importing a ton of assets. I want to get some kind of basic map, just something really simple, just so I can like even post a screenshot and make a thumbnail or something for tomorrow. That's all I'm trying to do before I go to sleep. Oh, sweet. Polygon Arsenal also has an update. I don't know what's new, but... Actually, July 9th. That was like a week ago. Let me look at what's new in that. It was uploaded a week ago. Oh, cool. 5 new prefabs and some optimizations. Oh, there's a bunch of new assets in here that I never had. Cool. Oh, I never gotta click import here. Well, sure is taking a long time to import these assets. But it's gone. What am I gonna try to do? I guess I'll just throw some walls down. Just like a basic floor. Some buildings. Oh man, it's taking so long. Okay, well, what else can I do in the meantime? Guess I could try to make some variations of this. Different color variations. It's almost done importing into Unity. I created some alternate textures. The blue for the player, and then just a few potential ones for NPCs. Oh my god, it's still importing. Okay, finally. Really reset? What? I know the highlight, I need to hook it up somewhere else, but does it? Work on children. The question. I wonder if I removed it from this, and I just put the chibi in the character model as a child. Hide this. Is that enough? Let's see. Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you for the best of luck wishes. I am very tired. It is 1 a.m. for me. And I woke up today like 8 a.m. and worked basically all day. Getting ready for, getting ready to go to sleep soon, but I'm trying to wrap up this last bit here. I'm just trying to make a simple map, just something to make it look a little bit better for like a thumbnail or a screenshot or a GIF on Twitter or something before I go to sleep. So that's just what I'm wrapping up now. But I am very tired and fading as it happens. Oh, right. The dialogue doesn't have access to the animator to get spawned in. Guess I'll give interactable an animator. I'm not really liking the way that house looks. I think I am... I'll try importing this adventure, maybe? I'm definitely becoming much more tired, though. I'm fading. Hopefully this will be it. It'd be nice if I could make my own. It'd be so cool. Just make my own buildings that looked like dice. That would be awesome. But I just don't think I have the time. Noticing the FOV is a little strange. It's a 90. I wonder why is the canvas all messed up now? I guess it's just the position. That makes sense. Let's right. It's this thing. Like that, maybe? I think that's good. Maybe the last thing I'll do is just record a GIF. A video. Let's do, and now to open up my 20th CPU consuming program at the same time. Hopefully my computer doesn't blow up. But just recording a very quick recorded a quick video. Now I just want to make sure it looks all good so I can post my progress. Hey, thanks. I hope your game is doing what is coming along as well. I am extremely tired. It's not as far as I wish it was. I have basically one basic interaction and no like even outcome from it. But tomorrow is, you know, the real day where most of the stuff gets done. So I anticipate I'll get a lot more done then. Once I'm well rested and hit the ground running with my idea. Okay. Well, that's about as much as I can, muster for today. Because I am exceptionally tired. So I'm probably just gonna end it here, get some sleep, come back tomorrow refreshed, hopefully at a reasonable time. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check back tomorrow and see even more progress. Hopefully actual gameplay and not just tech demos. Oh, whoops. But I think there's some cool progress, like the conversation, the rolling of dice, that sort of flow is there. Even if the whole game was like dialogue and stuff, that I could get some mileage out of that. But I would obviously like more. Oh god. More minigame stuff out of that. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see some of you tomorrow. Bye.